It's evening now. It's past 8 in the evening. They are now in your master's bedroom. Doing your terrace like that. It's very dark. Then dead tired already. And there's the cobra that I'm drinking. So that's the energy drink. Oh my God! Dahan-dahan! Pagod na. Dead tired already.
Kulang ang 3 dana. Bakit?
Pagraba!
Tatlong graba ka kulang yan. Huwag na ng graba. Sobra tuloy ako sa pagod. Graba!
Nangyari nga, nagkulang kami sa graba eh. Pumili kami ng 30 sacks of graba. I hope that 30 sacks will finish this one, no? Yun pa eh, they're in the terrace pa. And then part of your masters. And then your toilet. And the last bedroom. Yung area na lang ang naiiwan. So I don't know. We hope and pray that the graba will suffice. Kasi yun na lang, oh. So, konti na lang, eh. Hindi na tansya. I don't know what will happen. Maybe we will ask the neighbors, construction, if they will lend us some graba. Okay, this is it. Yan na with the video. Pagod na kasi sila, kaya bumili ako ng cobra. Later, na lang, dinner out. Get tired na. Makikita kasi dito lang maliwanag. Pagod na eh, nagkakapipo na ng mga trabahador. Gusto nang look at him. Dead tired na yun. They started 5 a.m. and now it's 8 in the evening. Wala, super dead tired.